This is the Itel Power Go 100,000 mAh power bank. I'm going to be testing its first charge with my Dell laptop. So this is Dell Latitude 7400. You can go and check the specifications on Google. I think the battery is around 62 watt-hour battery. Not sure. You can go and check it out. So I'm going to use Type-C to charge this laptop from 0 to 100 to see how many percent will be remaining with the Itel Power Go. I just bought it yesterday and I have charged it fully. Just to make sure the laptop is dead. I drained it last night. Let me open it. I'm using one hand to record everything. Okay. It didn't come up because the battery is literally dead. Didn't come up. So the laptop supports, let me zoom in right here. The laptop supports USB Type-C charging. It has Thunderbolt that supports up to 65 watts, I guess. So I'm going to charge it using the Type-C, plug it in the laptop and plug this area to the Itel Power Go. Now let's check if it is charging. So see right here, the laptop is charging. So let me try to turn it on. Let me unlock it. Okay, we have 6%. So I'm going to close it and wait till the laptop fully charged, and I'm going to check how many percent will it take from the Itel Power Go. So I'm going to cut this video and come back when maybe in the next, say, 2 hours 4 minutes. I'm going to come back in the next 2 hours. So approximately 3 hours later, we now have a full charge on the laptop. It is 11:06 a.m. fully charged to 100%. So now let's check how many percent remaining in the Itel Power Go. We have 85% left. Not bad. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.